Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the channels about tab and scanning for a business email. That's often where creators list contact addresses. If you manage the channel, go directly to YouTube Studio and check channel settings and contact details there. Once done, note any listed address and copy it. Sometimes creators put an alternate contact like Gmail. If no email appears, prepare to follow the next discovery steps. Don't skip channel links or linked social profiles yet. Next, systematically inspect every external link on the channel, websites, Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, because creators often centralize contact info off-platform. Once done, search Google with targeted queries using the channel name and keywords like contact or email to surface mirrors or business listings. Also scan video descriptions and pinned comments. Many creators update contact addresses there. If you find a domain email, try to infer a Gmail variant only if the creator lists it publicly. Otherwise, respect privacy and proceed carefully. Finally, verify any discovered Gmail by cross-checking other social profiles or Whois data for linked domains. Consistency indicates authenticity. Once verified, contact through the listed address or platform messaging rather than guessing variants. This prevents misdirected messages and privacy breaches. If you can't find any address, use YouTube's official business inquiry features or report request options to reach the creator. Troubleshooting tip: if messages bounce, stop and recheck spelling and domain. Repeated bounces may mean the email was removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.